In this video, we will guide you through the process of removing negative Google reviews. This tutorial is designed to help you take control of your online reputation by providing clear, step-by-step instructions on how to assess and, when necessary, remove harmful reviews from your Google business profile. Whether you're dealing with reviews that violate Google's policies or simply want to address customer feedback more effectively, this guide will equip you with the necessary tools and strategies. Our goal is to help you maintain a positive online presence, enhance customer trust, and ensure your business is accurately represented on the world's most prominent search platform. Before you start, it's essential to follow a sequential order to maximize your chance of success. 1. Attempt to resolve the poster's complaint. Contact the reviewer directly to resolve their issue. 2. Assess the review. Determine which policy it violates. 3. Flag the review on Google Maps. Open Google Maps, find your business profile, locate the review, and flag it as inappropriate. 4. Report the review on Google Search. Go to Google, find your business profile, click on Google Reviews, locate the review, and report it. 5. Flag the review from your Google business profile. Sign into your profile, find the review, and flag it. 6. Report the review from the Reviews Management tool. Use the tool to report the review for removal. 7. Submit a one-time appeal for any upheld reviews. Use the Reviews Management tool to appeal the decision. Can you get Google reviews removed? Yes, it's possible to get Google reviews removed, but it's not always straightforward. Google has criteria for what types of reviews can be taken down, such as fake, offensive, or privacy-violating content. Understanding these criteria is crucial before attempting to remove a review. Understanding Google's removal criteria. Google aims to maintain the authenticity and trustworthiness of its review system. Reviews may be removed for reasons such as fake reviews and content, reviews that are fabricated or dishonest, offensive material, hate speech, profanity, or other offensive content, personal information, reviews that include private data, irrelevant reviews, off-topic posts unrelated to the customer experience. Step 1. Assess the Google review. Google's review guidelines ensure that reviews are authentic, relevant, and respectful. Here's how to use these guidelines to your advantage. 1. Off-topic. Flag reviews that don't pertain to an actual experience with your business. 2. Spam. Flag reviews that seem to be from bots or fake accounts. 3. Conflict of interest. Flag reviews from individuals affiliated with your business or a competitor. 4. Profanity. Flag reviews containing inappropriate language. 5. Bullying or harassment. Flag reviews that personally attack individuals. 6. Discrimination or hate speech. Flag offensive or prejudiced reviews. 7. Personal information. Flag reviews that include private data. Step 2. Flag the review via Google Maps. 1. Open Google Maps. 2. Find your business profile. 3. Locate the review. 4. Click More and then flag as inappropriate. 5. Select the type of violation. Step 3. Report the review via Google Search. 1. Go to Google. 2. Find your business profile. 3. Click Google Reviews. 4. Find the review. 5. Click More and then Report Review. 6. Select the type of violation. Step 4. Flag the review via your account. 1. Sign in to manage your business profile. 2. Open the profile and click Reviews. 3. Find the review. 4. Click More and then flag as inappropriate. 5. Select the type of violation. Step 5. Report the review via the Reviews Management tool. 1. Go to the Google Reviews Management tool. 2. Ensure the correct email is used. 3. Confirm your email. 4. Select your business and continue. 5. Report the review for removal. How to check the status of a flagged Google review. 1. Go to the Google Reviews Management tool. 2. Confirm your email. 3. Select your business. 4. Check the status of reported reviews and appeal options. Submit a one-time appeal. If a flagged review is deemed non-violating, you can submit a one-time appeal through the Reviews Management tool. Select Appeal Eligible Reviews, submit the appeal form, and wait for a decision. You should hear back within 5 business days. Resolve the complaint directly. If removal attempts fail, consider resolving the poster's complaint directly by reaching out privately, acknowledging their experience, understanding the issue, offering a solution, and requesting a review, update, or removal. What to do if you can't get a Google review removed? Explore legal action if the review contains defamatory content, but understand the risks involved. Alternatively, you can hire a review removal specialist for expert assistance. Generate more positive reviews. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews, improving your online reputation and diluting the impact of negative reviews. By following these steps and maintaining professionalism, you can effectively manage your online reputation and ensure that your Google business profile accurately reflects your business. Check out our website for more helpful tips. And if you need help to attempt to remove a negative review that is harming your business, give us a call.